You as a professional need a solution that knows and tackles the challenges of your daily work life. You need to rely on professional equipment that is a mobile solution that meets these requirements. I.SAFE Mobile is a partner for the development, certification and marketing of mobile communication devices that are used in explosive and hazardous environments. The product range is tested worldwide and certified by renowned notified bodies to make sure you can rely on them when you need to. This gives customers worldwide the certainty of using high-quality communication technology at the latest technical level. We satisfy all international requirements. We set high demands on ourselves. In order to meet all explosion protection requirements, the products are developed from scratch. I.SAFE Mobile does not only develop devices for industrial use which are ready for mass production, but also offers customized solutions for companies requiring specific hardware, software or scheduled maintenance. Building trust and long-term relationships is the company's goal. Right there when you need more, I.SAFE Mobile has the solution and cooperates with providers in the areas of push-to-talk, lone worker protection or NFC in order to be able to offer complete solutions from a single source. No matter where you work at, our global partner network will assist. With I.SAFE Mobile, you make the right choice for a professional solution.